Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a tasty, wonderful shrimp you can make in 5 minutes. Very easy, very simple, and it tastes a lot better than the boiled one that you eat in the restaurant or anywhere. This is going to be tasty. You don't even need a sauce with it. So the ingredient is garlic, onion, lemon, and carrot, ginger, and I'm gonna use bay leaves, and also I'm gonna use this New Orleans shrimp and crab boil. If you don't have that one, don't worry about it. You can put some cumin, coriander, and salt and pepper, and go easy on the salt because the shrimp is already salted. Today we're gonna use a raw shrimp already with the shell, and this is 21 to 25, which is a little bit big. Well, always look at the number. If you have like 40 and 60, whatever, that means it's smaller. The smaller the number, the bigger the shrimp. So today we're gonna use that. So we're gonna cut our ingredients like that. I cut everything, and the lemon I cut it in half, the garlic, like you see. So we're gonna start putting that in a pan. We're gonna put everything that we have, the spices, in the pan. You're gonna put the shrimp, frozen. You don't have to saw it or anything, just put it frozen in there. And we're gonna put the spices. Like I said, don't put a lot of salt because that's gonna be too salty already. It depends about your taste. And as for the spices, just a little to give it flavor. Depends about the amount of shrimp that you have. Okay. So we'll give it a stir like this. And now we're gonna take that to the stove, cover it, and don't leave the stove. Stay there. Watch it till it turns pink. The minute it turns pink, remove it from the stove. It's gonna look like this. It takes only 5 minutes. So it's gonna look like this. Turn the stove off. Take it off the stove. Don't leave it there because it's gonna cook more and it's gonna ruin it. So now we can get a plate and we start plating that. You can do it in a fancy plate or just a regular plate like that. Just to start taking the shrimp. It's gonna be hot, so we're gonna take it and hang it like that so it look elegant. I'm gonna do it with my hand. I like to do it that way, easier and quicker. Here. And if you don't have that plate, you can use normal plate. You can use a glass of wine if you want to do it individually. It is nice and beautiful, elegant. The water or the soup is gonna come from the shrimp. You can use it to do rice. You don't like it, throw it away. But sometimes I put that to flavor the rice that I'm gonna do with the shrimp. This one, it won't stay. Okay. All right, I can leave it in the middle. And it is wonderful and tasty shrimp. You will love. And please, if you do that, leave me a comment underneath so I know how it goes. If you're not gonna eat it warm quickly, you can put some ice in the middle here, and you can leave it for a couple of hours till your guests arrive, or for you if you want to eat it later.